Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. This is Laura with Stitching with Laura. How's everybody doing? I hope everybody is having a great day. Well, today is my review of VIP Cross Stitch Part 2. So we have two stamped cross stitches and we'll start with the first one. Get it out of here. And it's kind of small. I know. I wish I could put a picture here, but this is what we have. You saw a picture of it on my thumbnail. So, yeah. Isn't that the cutest, sweetest little thing you've ever seen in your life? I just love that. These cats by the windows. Well, this one is an 18 count. It is 30 by 30. And it was $7. Excuse me, I'm losing my voice. $7.59. Does have 28 colors. Very well printed pattern. Gotta say that. Product number, how big it is, and it's 170 by 170, 18 count. So it's not too big or too small. Now, I believe this might be one of the Hooligan ones. I'm not sure. I can't keep up some days. So, let's see. We have no 310, no 550 purple. We have 823 and 939 and 3371, which is the dark brown. And no 3865. But this one's very well printed. I don't see any smudges or smears, so that's a good thing. And I can't tell until I really see the canvas. But don't ask me why I got this one. I have no idea. You know, here's the lady, not going to buy any more 18 counts. Yep, here we are again. But it was just such a cute picture. Alright, does come with instructions, like the rest of them. Has a tool bag with a butterfly on it. I don't know if you can see the butterfly, but it has 5 needles, poop ball thimble, and needle threader. Thread comes into a bag all up by itself. Has how big it is and the product number, which will match paper pattern and the canvas. Paper pattern will match the canvas for symbols. Get rid of this bag. And it can stop crinkling. So there's your 3371, which is a dark brown, like a dark chocolate brown. And probably, yep, 939. So you have a full hank of that. Let's take a look at the rest of the colors. Very pretty. You got to remember this is an 18 count. So I only use one strand on 18 count, just so it doesn't get so thick that you can't put a stitch in someplace. Yeah. I don't like that. So I use a single strand and my Peacemaker 28 needle when I'm working on this 18 count. So that's why there's only single strands for some of these, because it doesn't have much of that color. But very pretty colors. Look at that red. Ooh, I like that burnt medium to dark burnt orange. Gorgeous. Beautiful colors. Alright, let me roll that all up so nothing gets lost. There we go. Alright, let's take a look at the canvas. And it is kind of stiff. I mean, it's all soft and smooth, but yeah, it's a canvas. See how big it is? It is serged all the way around. We have 30 that way. And 29 that away. Actual picture size is 9 1/4 inches or 23.5 by 24 centimeters or 9.5. But it's printed very well. Very nice, but it is stiff. You can see how stiff it is. Yeah, it'll stand on its own. But, you know, it is what it is. I crunch it all down. But very well printed. Let me hold this up. Get as close as I possibly can without a blurring. Now the stitching does go a little bit in the numbers, but it's no big deal. You have all those numbers on your paper pattern. So, yeah. There's some confetti here and there, but there are some bigger areas, especially that 17 is 939 and 21 is the 3371. It's like part of that, whatever's on that shelf, I can't see. Oh, it's the cat's tail, and then the bottom part of the ledge that the cat's sitting on. And then that background is a little bit dark, so that's where that's at. But I'm glad it's not too big. It has some big areas, and then it has a little bit of confetti, but I don't think it's going to be too terribly difficult to stitch. Alright, so we got another one. Let's see. This one is a 40 by 60. It was $11.97. It comes in a bag. As you can see, make sure we get everything out of the bag. One day I forgot the toolkit. Didn't even discover it until later. Alright, so we have a paper pattern. Top looks good. Whoop, I tried to straighten that out. Boy, that didn't work at all, did it? Very nice. This is an 11 count. And I do not, well, just a little bit. Just a teeny bit right there, but you can tell what the symbols are. Like I've said, if you have any problems with these paper patterns being smeared or blotchy or so blotchy that you really can't see it, then contact the company and they will put you together with a link where you can go and see it, you know, close up. It's on like a PDF file. Product number, how big it is. It's 233 by 147, so it's kind of big. But very well printed, other than a couple little bitty splotches right there, so I'm not complaining. Let's see what we have here. We have 310 black, 498 red, which is that brick red. We have 550 purple. We have 823, no 939, no 3371, and no 3865. But I just thought this was beautiful. Gorgeous, 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 gorgeous. Scrumptious. Like the colors. So we have an instruction page. Whoop, got it upside down. Same that comes in most all the kits now, which is nice. We have a toolkit with a leopard in it, 5 needles, poof ball, thimble, and needle threader. So that's nice. Let's take a look at these threads. It does have a sticker on it, matching the canvas paper pattern. I'm losing my voice this week, I'm telling you. Get it out of this bag here. Looks like we have some hanks. So we have 310 black, 310 black, 2 beautiful skeins. There's 80 strands. There's 40 in each hank. Look at that pink. Oh my goodness, can you ever? Love it. 3354. Beautiful color. Let's take a look at the rest. I'm trying. They's all mooshed together here. And there's a bit of thread on these cards. All right. Look at those pinks and corals. And look at that reddish orange. And we have mochas. Just gorgeous. I don't see, this is the lightest thing closest to white right here. It's kind of a cream color, if you will. You have some dark greens, dark blues, steel type grays, and reds. Just beautiful. Gorgeous. Gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. Love them. Aren't they gorgeous together? Ugh, love it. All right, on to the canvas. Oop, got a little straggler there. He's trying to escape. He couldn't jump ship in time, trust me. All right, so this is kind of wide. Trying to get it to lay flat for me. Let's take a look. Well printed here. I'm gonna flip. Look how big those flowers are. Aren't they gorgeous? Oh. I mean, if you were new, this would be one of the perfect kits to get because it has bigger areas and you can just stitch, practice your stitching and you don't have to worry about confetti. There's some in the middle, there's some here and there. Just ding, ding, ding. Does say the product number, how big it is here. Product number, how big it is. It's 40 by 60. And how many squares per square. It's 233 by 147. Nice serging around the edges, which is nice. And it just barely grazes the number, but you don't have to worry about that because you have it on your paper pattern. Not a big deal. Holy cow. These are some big flowers. When I pictured this in my mind, I thought it was, I don't know. I thought it would be smaller. But that's okay. Very nice. 61 centimeters this way, or 24 inches. It is 40, oh gosh. It's within a hair's breadth of 41 centimeters. Or 16 inches. Actual picture size is, okay, 3 1/4. I'm sorry, let me try again. About 13 1/4 inches, or 34 centimeters that way. 21, a little over 21 inches, and a little bit over 53.5. So very nice, very well printed, nice, easy to see everything, just gorgeous. Yep, I really, really love this. I don't even mind that the flowers are huge. I just think it's beautiful. Be lovely to put like at the end of a hall, like a long hall with a little light over it. It'd be gorgeous. Gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. Just love the way those look. All right, now VIPCrossStitch only has cross stitch, like cross stitch, embroidery, punch needle, that kind of thing. They do not have diamond painting or paint by number. I know they do custom, and they have counted and stamped cross stitches. Right now they're having 50% off. Now I don't know if it's for everything that's in the store or if it's just a select few, because when I went to VIPCrossStitch last week, I clicked on, they had like a little, let's call it an advertisement for lack of what it is, on the main page. And I clicked on that and it said these kits are 50% off. So do check that out. Maybe they're trying to clear out their stock so that they can, get ready for Thanksgiving, Halloween, Christmas, and, get more kits and stuff in. They always have a large selection, very comparable prices, so do check them out. Thank you, VIPCrossStitch, for all these beautiful kits this week, last week. They were just stunning. Just absolutely stunning. Love them. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and please hit the bell. That way you'll know when my next video comes out. Stay safe, stay healthy. We'll see you next time. God bless. Bye-bye.